So the next one, just to then add to that, okay, now we're just going to be coming in, just want you to feel, so these were straight shots, so we're looking to get the blocks on the outside, yeah, and these ones is just a slight more of a curve on them. So here, I'm looking to get, yeah, obviously the inside is a lot more tender, so go easy because a few shots here to the inside will slap and you really feel it, and I don't have the oil yet.
Okay. I was about to say that. But is it heat and allergy?
Yeah. I'm actually, it's on transit from Indonesia, literally, you know, but it's taken a while, so normally we'd massage at the end, so I don't want you to lick each other up, like, you know what I mean? Just
Tell tired,
take it easy, like, you know? Okay, so just, yeah, that's it. Just like so simple, so the movement is just, so one at a time, hold it, there. So we're looking there.
So you're blocking striking the same.
You would do, we're not going to strike,
No,
but yeah, it's just showing you alternatives that you've got. Of course, I've got lots of options that I've got. This what I'm saying is this kind of movement is a lot more whippy.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a lot more whippy in terms of it being, rather than coming in and crushing and stuff, it's quick and reflexive. You're looking to get the eyes into little grabs and things like that, little rakes with the nails and stuff. And then, just to make that, you might want to go into match and just bulldoze in or something, so it gives you both options. Yeah, so just simply on the toes again. I'm turning, trying to turn the body a little bit, it's okay, that way, so as I'm turning, I've always got potentially something on. Yeah. Yeah, so the drills that we did earlier was slipping to the outside and then slipping to the inside. Yeah, but they're all kind of interconnected. Yeah, so that's the second one. And then what we'll do is we'll go straight with a curve. So it's literally, yeah, yeah, you can feel that, can't you? So go easy. Okay, so we've got next one. So the next one will be a straight shot, followed by a bit more of a hook or a bit of a cross, but you're looking to go outside, inside. And we're still saying square. Now we know realistically we're moving about, and we can interchange, so you can always work on the leading stance and stuff. But just as giving us a point of reference to begin with, so we know, yeah, we're just starting from a square position, yeah? Okay, so from there, so I'm coming in 1, 2, good. And go back there. Good. Get it, Phil? Yeah. 1, so simple. 1 first of all, and this one's coming. Yeah?
It's the same thing, but it blows on from different angles.
Yeah, so we've done 1, 2, block is here. We've done 1, 2, the block is here. Now we've done 1, 2, where the block is here. Yeah?